designed to reveal the true picture of the audio that you are creating. Studio monitor speakers are perfect for you if you are a producer or a content creator. Though some of us might not like the unmixed audio, as in some cases it sounds unpleasant to the ears, it helps you to find the exact point where the audio needs fixing. So you will be able to enhance your audio quality by orchestrating it perfectly. In this video, we will be showing you the top 10 best studio monitoring speakers that can help you to improve the content that you create. So without further ado, let's get started. Designed to give you the most honest and precise reference possible, Yamaha HS8 can provide you an ideal sonic platform throughout your audio mixing process. The HS8 speakers feature newly developed transducers that regulate the flow of magnetic response so that you can enjoy seamless, natural sonic transitions. It has a bi-amplifier design with a separate dedicated amplifier for both its 8-inch cone woofer and 1-inch dome tweeter. This ensures the speakers consistently delivers a high-resolution sound and you get an exceptional frequency response rate of 38 Hz to 30 Hz across the sound spectrum. Equipped with noise reduction technology that incorporates analyzing a visual representation of the sound, you will get reduced vortex and unwanted noise. With its versatile connectivity option, you can connect various instruments such as mixers, keyboards, and audio interfaces with XLR and TRS phone jacks. For more convenient use, it includes mounting points and screws so that you can easily install them in walls, ceilings, or your desired places. So if you want to upgrade yourself as a producer, then surely these HS8 studio monitoring speakers would be a good choice. Reproduce your music with clarity and accuracy with this Rokit G4 Studio monitor from KRK, known for its accurate and innovative engineering. The new scientifically designed speaker enclosure and front-firing port let you have an exceptional low-end extension and accuracy, punch, and flexible room positioning. A high-density ISO foam pad decouples the speaker from the surface to minimize vibration transmission for improved clarity. Powered with a more efficient 300-watt Class D amplifier and utilizing matching drivers made with Kevlar, Generation 4 ensures that you get some iconic integrity across all frequencies. Featuring a digital signal processor driven by room tuning and 25 visual graphic equalizer settings, it helps to minimize and correct problems in your acoustic environment. It also offers an LCD graphic display for visualizing equalization settings so that you can adjust EQ settings according to your choice. So if you are looking for a studio monitoring speaker to find out the fixing your audio needs, KRK Rokit J4 is going to be a perfect choice. Experience authentic and genuine sound quality. Meet the Audioengine A5 Plus that delivers clear, full, and powerful audio that fills any room. It comes with a handcrafted premium design that brings elegance to your home and studio, and you can stream all your music from any app or device. Equipped with high-fidelity advanced Bluetooth with aptX HD, extended range, and 24-bit upsampling, it can be perfect for any setup. Built-in custom woofers from Kevlar and silk tweeters ensures a pretty clear and smooth music experience. The low-end frequencies from the A5 Plus powered speakers produce real bass, and you will experience very near to the originally recorded music. A solid aluminum remote control is available with the speaker so that you can have better control of the sound system. So if you want to listen to the best of your music and learn where to upgrade, then grab this Audioengine A5 Plus. CRX is a creative reference multimedia monitor that offers studio quality sound to you whether you are mixing music, creating content, or just tend to relax to your favorite tunes. Featuring a sleek design, the CRX has a brushed metal panel and a distinct outline that makes it look even more stunning. Its textured cabinet and classic CR green outline will upgrade the look of any desk. CRX comes with an 8-inch subwoofer with Bluetooth that delivers 160 watts of clean, articulate stereo sound. Its woofers and tweeters are powered by high headroom amplifiers for a clearer and punchy sound. Moreover, the convenient knob on the front panel allows you to control functions such as power switch, volume control, and more. So if you are looking for a professional level monitoring speaker that can also fulfill casual needs such as playing games on desktops or having relaxing music sessions, then you can go for this CRX Multimedia Studio Monitor. Looking for the best studio monitoring speakers that shows nothing but the truth? Then get yourself introduced to the Iris E5 from PreSonus that can enhance your creativity and assist you with producing the best of contents. Designed to deliver the best music quality to you, it comes with a more compact and powerful design that makes them an ideal solution for home and professional studios. Equipped with a silk dome tweeter, each Iris monitor produces a smooth and refined sound, accurately reproducing transients and high frequencies. The tweeter is designed to radiate sound with a fairly wide dispersion pattern, creating a large optimal listening area for you. The premium 4.5-inch woofer from Iris results in a more constant dispersion pattern throughout the frequency range so that you get less time-smeared audio and cleaner overall sound. The versatile connectivity option features 1x4-inch, 1x8-inch, and RCA inputs, and you get a headphone amplifier that allow you to check your mix on your favorite headphones. So if you want a true studio monitoring speaker with all the necessary features, then undoubtedly Iris E5 will be the best choice. So that was our list of the top 5 best studio monitoring speakers to enhance your music quality and upgrade them. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.